Hello everyone. Welcome to the webinar on Executive PGTM in NMIMS Bangalore. I'm Vartika Jain and my colleague Yashraj Madia, members of the PR cell of NMIMS Bangalore, will be your host for the evening. NMIMS Bangalore, SAQS and AMBA accredited and AICTE approved university has been taking giant leaps since the time of its inception. The School of Business Management of NMIMS is one of India's premier business schools in the country. The institute offers specializations in the fields of finance, marketing, operations, HR, and analytics. It aims to equip students with a plethora of management skills and industry experience to help them navigate through the complex business environment of today.
Apart from offering diverse programs for students, it also offers executive education programs for professionals who want to accelerate their careers. Management program for executives is globally accredited postgraduate diploma in business management designed for individuals who are in the process of assuming higher level responsibilities to think holistically and develop a strategic perspective on managerial challenges faced in real life. The flexible program with maximum number of electives equips students with the sound concept, high-level analytics, leadership, and management skills. The school uses the concept of practical learning to bring real-world business scenarios to the class that provides compelling opportunities. We have the students of Executive PGDM program with us, Zenobia and Shubham. Hello guys, would you like to give a short introduction of yourselves?
Hi, good evening everyone. So my name is Zenobia Sequeira. Currently, I'm a student of the MPE 24 batch executive program. A little bit about myself. So I work for Flipkart as a category manager. I manage the BGM category. In particular, I take care of marketing and liaisons with various brand partners.
Hi, good evening all. I am Shubham Parag. I work as a project manager at an energy and waste management company called Suez, and I am a student of NMIMS MP 24 batch. And as a project manager, I liaison between the internal stakeholders and the client for the execution of large turnkey projects. Yeah.
Okay. So we will now begin with a Q&A round that would help our viewers get a broader understanding of this program. So Zenobia, how did you finalize NMIMS for your Executive MBA program?
All right. So I think it was a fairly simple choice, I would say. While doing my research, I came across several great universities, and the shortlisting was fairly easy because NMIMS was my top choice, primarily for three reasons. The first reason was that the faculty at NMIMS is simply stellar. We've got world-class faculty that are just waiting to share this wealth of information with the students. They are genuinely interested in the students' learning curve, and they will just adopt a customized learning approach as per the diversity of the batch. The second reason I would say is because of the fee structure. So at the time when I enrolled for the program, the fee structure was quite economical and it was as per my requirements. And the last criteria I would say was the college campus was equidistant from my residence and my office, because at times I would do office work. I would need to go to my workplace on Saturdays and Sundays. So the distance part proved to be very feasible.
Okay, so Shubham, are there any key changes to your approach now after you have joined in?
Yeah, yes. I would like to quote Nilima ma'am, who was our faculty for first semester. So she said, "Don't just look at the trees. You should be able to look at the forest." So this is what actually I was not able to understand this concept, or is it only applicable to one or two aspects of life? But no, actually it is applicable to each and every aspects of life. Like initially when I joined the this college, I was not aware how the organization functions, on what basis these HRs are giving a raise to some people, some they are getting less. I was not aware how the organization functions, the front end, the back end, the structure. the hierarchy, the importance of hierarchy, those things I was not aware. Now, as Nilima ma'am said, look at the forest, don't just look at the trees. So I can see actually in and out in an organization, what is going in an organization, how well it is performing, is it a high performance organization, what are the issues, how I can add value. So these are the changes which I witnessed in myself, and not only that, my organization is also seeing these changes in me, my performance, my productivity, the way I interact with my vendors, the way I interact with the clients. It has completely changed. I not only participate these days only in the project management. I also provide my input in the financial aspect, in terms of marketing, in terms of building brand. So these are the changes which I witnessed in myself, and it's all possible due to the continuous effort, the curriculum designed by NM.
That's great, Shubham. That's great.
Yeah.
So Zenobia, how did you find the delivery schedule and the structure of the entire program?
All right. I think the delivery schedule was quite seamless. So I would like to talk about two scenarios. As you know, when we enrolled for the program, it was the pre-COVID scenario, and we had classes every Saturdays and Sundays over the weekends. So our batch used to travel to the Koramangala campus, and we would have our sessions there. And I would say that the mode of execution was quite seamless. The faculty and the students used to arrive on time, and the mode of delivery was also great. We made use of the lab rooms as well as the digital media facilities at the campus. However, sadly, towards the second quarter, during I think the end of March, when COVID, the onset of COVID happened, the entire learning platform was shifted towards the online mode. And here I would say that it was done again in a very seamless manner. We did not feel that our learning was impacted. So we would have sessions on MS Teams or on the Zoom platform. And yes, everything went on well.
Great.
So I'd like to know more from Shubham. So Shubham, what are the key outputs you wanted from this program? And do you think you are achieving them?
So yes, the key outputs and the expectation was because, as I said, I was not aware of many of the aspects about the business as a whole. So I knew about one particular aspect in which I was working day in day out. Like after the key outputs which I expected was to learn the economics, how it works, how and what on what basis the business is formed, and why they are retiring, my organization or any other organization, they are retiring a product or launching a new product, and in whether my organization or my competitors, whether they are proceeding or what exactly is happening. So the different aspects like marketing, like strategy, like financials, reading the complete financial analysis of a company. So these are the things which I was expecting to learn, and you won't believe, yes, it exceeds my expectation. So after the continuous effort of our faculty members, now I am at this stage that I can now form my own organization, in which I myself and my few of my batchmates, we are also working towards, like the different aspects like business valuation, and then how to approach a VC, the and what will work, what will not work, these are the different aspects which I was not even aware. Like randomly, there were ideas coming. Okay, fine, let's do this, let's do that. We were like just like every graduate students, they used to have, okay, fine, we will start a startup blindly. We will start doing something without any logic. But now I know what will work, what will not work. And now I will be making informed decision making. Instead of that, it was all hunch that yeah, it will work, it will not work. Now it is like completely I know this is the approach, the systematic approach which I need to follow. So that's what yes, I guess my objectives and requirements are definitely fulfilled at NIMS.
That's nice, Shubham. That's nice.
So Zenobia, how do you think this course will add value to your career?
All right. So definitely, yes. I think everybody just knows about the aura associated with having the more number of degrees, especially the master's degree. Having said that, my reason for joining this course was, yes, to get my master's degree and specialize in marketing and strategy. But having said that, my focus was more on the learning aspect. I would say post joining the program, it has immensely transformed the way I think, and I would say that I now make more sharper and more informed decisions. I would also like to share one fact that during the course, I was able to apply some of the concepts in my workplace at Flipkart, and this helped me also to secure a promotion. So I definitely feel that yes, it has given me immense value add. And I would also like to further add that prior to joining this course, my knowledge in domains such as finance and strategy were almost zero to nothing. But we had great faculty like Narayani ma'am and Dr. Aparna ma'am who instilled this passion for these subjects, and this has helped us immensely, me especially.
So, guys, is there any specific input or opinions that you want, that will help candidates decide if the program is suited for them or not? Is there anything that other than this, if you want to share?
So, in my opinion, if someone is still in dilemma which college to choose or whether to proceed for a PGDM course, even in the initial phases when I was searching for colleges, I was thinking whether 2 years, how difficult it will be, or will I be able to complete it. So there were so many speculations, but the faculty here and the scheduling and the course structure, the study materials, everything, the exam pattern, everything, it made it so simple and seamless that it's almost only 3 months remaining in our course, and the entire batch will be missing the college. And even though we missed most of our classroom learning due to COVID, but I don't think there was any kind of misses which I got due to online education. Then apart from that, also I was introduced to many other things which I was not even aware that how to approach a VC. So myself and Zenobia, we went to NSR cell to pitch in our idea at IIM Bangalore. Then we are running our own social media page for the startup idea which we are having. Then apart from that, the person who was not even aware about personal finance is giving tips to friends and family about the personal finance and aspects and what to do, how to do, what is the approach. Then apart from that, there are many tools and technologies to which we were introduced, like the simulation, the labs. It is completely like whatever the latest tools and technologies are there to run the business, like CAPSIM business simulation, or this smart play, or all these tools and technologies our faculties they have introduced. They have made sure that we learned it, and we are using it not only just for our college, we are using it in our organization also. Zenobia, your thoughts?
Yeah, so I would definitely like to share my 2 cents with the young aspirants out there. I would definitely like to say to them that there is no sooner time to join the program. So the sooner you join the program, the quicker you can capitalize on the great learning at NMIMS. It provides great opportunities not just for learning but also for networking with fellow students, because you get a diverse set of people out there with various kinds of work experience, various life experiences. So there is tremendous learning, I feel. And like I also mentioned earlier, the faculty is just amazing at amazing at NMIMS. They are not just warm, but they are also genuinely vested in the students' learning.
Right.
So I would request them to join at the earliest.
Thank you, Zenobia. Thank you for sharing your experience and insights with us. we are sure for the viewers must have gained a deeper understanding of what the program offers.
For more information regarding the admissions and curriculum of this program, you can visit the website of NMIMS Bangalore. That's all from my end. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.